Saravjeet Sandhu from saravjeetsandhunetwork.com, and I'm going to make sure that we are going live on my page, so everything is okay. So today we are talking about how to stop saying I don't know, how to stop saying I am overwhelmed or confused. So I'm going to make sure one more time with the sound that everything is going okay. If you are joining me and you are looking at me and you are watching the photo and hearing the voice, watching the video, then drop some emojis and hearts so that I know everything is going okay, or drop some comment. So today we are talking about how to stop saying I don't know what to do, or I am overwhelmed, or I am confused. If you are an entrepreneur and you are doing online marketing, we say that word many times because online there is a too much information and there is a too much content, so we are prone to saying that those words. So how do you stop saying that? First of all, you have to stop saying that. You have to stop saying I don't know. Rather, you should be saying I exactly know what to do. Even though you do not know what to do, if you are saying it that I exactly know what to do, then you are activating those questions what to do in your mind, in your brain, in your body. So start saying I exactly know what to do. Or best, you can say that if I knew what to do right now, what would that be? So if you are asking those questions, then you are opening those neuro pathways of the answers. If you are saying that I don't know what to do, then you are affirming that. If you are affirming that, then how you are going to find out that what to do? So number one is you got to stop saying that. And number two, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. If you are an entrepreneur and you are doing online marketing, for that, first of all, number one thing is you get to figure out who is your target audience. That is the main thing you get to do. You have to figure out who is your target audience. Mainly, your target audience is just like you. What are your problems? What are your pain points? What is keeping you awake at night is usually your target audience problem. That is exactly your target audience pain point. So your target audience is mainly just like you. That's a main guideline. But it can go away from that, but that is the main guideline. So what is keeping your target audience awake at night? What is their trouble? What are their problems? You get to find the solution for that. Write down on a piece of paper what are your target audience problem. Just sit down and write them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you got 5, it is good enough. And just write answer to those. Answer to target audience problem. Just write answer. What is the answer? What is the solution? And that is going to be your content. So let me go and see on the page that it is streaming all right. Then I'm going to continue. And if you guys drop any comment, then I'll be able to say hi to you. So number one thing over here is you get to figure out who is your target audience. So once you have figured out your target audience, you have to figure out their problem, pain point, their troubles, and get to write the answer to all those questions. So that is your content. Just you are going to now, your job is how you are going to put that content out in front of your audience. So figure that out, which strategy you are going to like to put your content out. Either you are going to do videos, or you are going to write down articles, or you are putting blog on your website. You get to figure out. Or you are doing YouTube videos. So if you are doing all of those, it's good. It's not bad. But first of all, you get to start with one. If you are doing just videos like me, Facebook live video, that is good enough. Facebook live videos you can repurpose. You can use for your blog. You can upload it to YouTube later on. Once it's done and you have downloaded it, you can repurpose it. So that serves your content in many ways. So you get to figure out which strategy you are going to use to create content, and then you distribute your content. Once your content is in front of your audience, you are going to see your audience reaction, likes. They are, if the content is relevant to them, they are going to engage on it. Not right away 1 2 3 people are going to engage, but if you are going to, if you are going to distribute your content regularly, either on your page or on your timeline, if you are doing it regularly, then you are going to see engagement. People are going to come to like the posts, ask you question. So from there you engage with your audience. Once your content is in front of your audience, you engage with your audience. So whole lot of work is over there. When you are engaging with your audience, over there you are going to find out, from there you are going to find out that who is interested in what you have to offer. So whatever you are selling, it is a product or it's a opportunity or it is a affiliate marketing product, whatever you are selling, from there you are going to figure out and ask your audience that who is interested. When you are engaging, from there you are going to find out that who is interested in your content. You are going to ask if you are open to it. If you are open to looking at the product or opportunity, if you get a yes, good enough. If you don't get a yes, then you have to keep doing it consistently. You have to show your content to more eyeballs. So that is a different strategy. That is a different topic, that how you can show your content to more people, to more eyeballs. So many the people, better. So you have to show your content to the audience and engage with the audience and sell to the audience. So that's it. Now you exactly know what to do. Do not keep doing content over and over and over and over, and then not know how the platform works, not know who is engaging with your content. You get to know all those things. You get to know, you get to whatever content you are putting out, you have to go and see in the back. I will show you a cool tip where you can go and see that who is engaging with your content and who is liking your content. So that way you are more sure about of your target audience. So right now I am going to go and show you in the Facebook where you can go and find out more clues about your target audience. I am going to show you right now. So I am going to exit out, and I will be sharing my page with you, and I'm going to show you that how you can find out where your target audience is. So right now I'm going to get out of here and going to share my page, my screen with you. And when you are watching replay, type hashtag replay. so that I can go and say hi to you. So right now I'm going to show you, this is my business page over here. Once you are at your page, then you go to the publishing tools. In the publishing tools, you can see all of your posts and your videos, how they are performing. So you can see over here who has liked it, which post has gotten more engagement. Right now over here this is showing more engagement, so this is pink bar is for the engagement. So you can go in the publishing tools and see which posts, which kind of posts are performing better, and who, how many likes you are getting, how many engagements you are getting. So you can get some clue from here which kind of content to create. And now I'm going to show you insight over here. Once you go and click the insight, so you can see more action, which kind of post is performing, how it is performing. And once you go and click people, then over here you are going to find out about your target audience. So right now over here you are gonna see how many percent of women or men are liking your page, liking your content, and which age group is best liking your content. Either it is a young people from 25 to 35, or middle aged people from 35 to 44, or 45 to 54. You are going to figure out from here either they are men or women. So once you have gotten a clue from here, then you can create better content for them. So when you are creating your content and you are seeing engagement, it is good. If you are not seeing any engagement, that means you get to improve either on your content or either on your target audience, either on your target market. So do not quit if you do not see the result. Keep doing it and measure it in a month or 2 months or 3 months. See how your results are, and figure out what you need to change. And in the back over here you can see which kind of people are liking your page. um, hey Casey Johnson, thank you for joining me. And you can see over here your, which city, which country is liking your page most. And right now over here you can see all the data, how many people are, which from which city are liking your content. So you have more better idea of your target market. So let me get out of here, and I'm going to continue. So right now let me make sure we are having the, so there you go. Now right now you exactly know what to do. So to stop saying I don't know what to do, and to stop saying I'm overwhelmed or confused, number one thing is you get to stop saying that, and you get to start saying I exactly know what to do. Even though you don't know it, when you say it, then you open the door to knowing it. Then your mind opens the door and shows it to you exactly. Or you can say, if I knew what to do right now, what would that be? If you keep asking that question, if you keep repeating that, you will get the answer. I bet you will get it.